So here we are again on a cattle ranch somewhere, some parts in the world, and we are here to see and to have a look at some cattle here, mainly meant for beef purposes. The cattle over here are not for dairy purposes, so they are mainly for beef purpose. So we are fattening them for them to reach a particular size, then we sell them for money. We have very nice and beautiful looking cattle on my right, and these are very young ones. We have the older ones in front of me over there, and they are looking very nice. So when you take a look at this cattle ranch, it's a simple, very simple cattle ranch, and we don't need much resources in starting this cattle ranch. With starting a cattle ranch with such a number of cows, trust me, you are in for money. You don't need much. We have this cattle ranch made, the cow made of galvanized steel, but looking at your area, the resources you have over there, whether wood or whatever local resources and materials you have over there, you can build your own simple cattle ranch. We see that on this cattle ranch also, they are fed with hay, which is the food they eat, with some other ingredients. These maize grain and wheat bran and some other ingredients mixed just to serve that purpose of fattening them. When we look in front over there, we have a large pasture where the cattle are also sent over there to graze. So this could be an alternative for us as a country where we have challenges of Fulani herdsmen destroying the vegetable farm and then crops of other people on their farm by invading into their farm with their cattle. We advocate that you can build something small like this kraal over here and provide feed for them, whether be dry grass from the field or be it a pasture land you have somewhere. You can maintain the pasture and make the cows graze, and this will reduce the challenges we have with our Fulani herdsmen when it comes to nomadic farming, killing people and then destroying the crops of other people, and all those wars we have with the Fulani herdsmen.